A mixture is something that contains two or more different types of matter. Almost everything around you is a mixture, including the air you breathe. In some mixtures, it is possible to know the different types of matter they contain by just looking at them. In other mixtures, this is impossible.
Okay, here we have different mixtures. One mixture is the sandwich. And in the sandwich, we can see the different types of matter, okay? Because we have bread, we have lettuce, we have tomato, we have ham, I think, and we have all the elements, all the ingredients of the sandwich. On the number 2, we can see the different types of matter too, because we can see the milk, we can see the cereals, and we can see the strawberries. On picture 3 is a cream of vegetables. Here we know that it's a cream of vegetables, but we cannot see the different vegetables, so we cannot see the different types of matter in this mixture, okay? Number 4 is a salad. So in the salad we can see the different types of matter, because we can see a tomato, we can see lettuce, we can see the different ingredients. So here we can distinguish the different types of matter. These are shakes, batidos, okay? Fruit shakes, batidos de fruta. But we don't know the different types of matter because it's mixed and we don't know. Here is a mix of nuts, okay? Es una mezcla de frutos secos, and we can see the different types of nuts that we have in the mixture, okay? So we can see the different types of matter in the mixture. Good. Here you have another mixtures to do at home, and you can find out if you can see the different types of matter that they contain or no. Okay? Okay. Now, we are going to see the activities. The activity number 1 is, what is a mixture? What is a mixture? If we go at the beginning of the page, say, a mixture is something that contains 2 or more different types of matter, okay? So the definition of mixture is this. Okay, a mixture is something that contains 2 or more different types of matter, okay? And then say, look at photos from 1 to 6 and identify the states of matter each picture contains. The state of matter, I remind you that the states of matter are liquid, solid, and gas. So this is easy. In the sandwich, what is the state of matter? It's solid, no? Here, in this mixture, here we can see liquid and solid, okay? On the cream, this really is a liquid, okay? It's liquid. Here, the salad is solid. The shakes are liquid. And the nuts are solid, okay? So that is mixture. Mixtures where you can see the different types of matter. Las mezclas donde podemos ver los diferentes tipos de materia. That it is the number 1, the sandwich, the number 2, the cereals with milk, the number 4, salad, and the number 6, the different nuts. Okay? And mixture when you cannot see the different types of matter. You cannot see the different types of matter in the vegetable cream and in the shakes. In the number 3 and number 5, we cannot see the different types of matter. Okay? So you are going to do in your notebook the exercise 1 and the exercise 2. Okay? We are going to see 3 different ways to separate a mixture. 3 formas diferentes de separar los elementos de una mezcla. But first we are going to listen and read.
Separating mixtures.
Do you think it is possible to separate the different types of matter in a mixture? You can separate materials in some mixtures by using one of these methods. Sieving is good for separating big solids from smaller solids. Filtering is good for separating solids from liquids. Evaporating is good for separating a solid that is dissolved in a liquid.
Okay, so we have 3 ways to separate the materials in a mixture. One is sieving, okay? That is good for separating big solids from smaller solids. Sieving, you can see that is filtrar, okay? Usa un colador and he separates the different materials in the mixture, okay? Separate the solids, big material, from the smaller solids. The bigger from the smaller, separate. Okay? In this case, the sand from the stones. Filtering. Filtering is good for separating solids from liquids. Okay? Filtering, el filtrado, is when we want to separate a liquid from a solid. For example, if we have a mixture of salt and water, if we filter the water, we can separate the salt and the water. And finally, the third way is evaporating, a través de la evaporación. That is good for separating a solid that is dissolved in a liquid. Está bien para separar un sólido que está disuelto en un líquido. Okay? Like this. And really, this is the way to separate salt and water. Here really is to separate something that is not dissolved in the water. For example, if we put sand in the water, we can filter the sand and separate the sand and the water. Okay? Good.